Hello and welcome to part 8. Oh, let's just get sat comfortably. I still ain't oiled the chair, so you'll have to excuse that. Right, I'm going to finish off this board. There's not much left. The only thing that's really left is to put the, I presume they're like a counter, we're using these as counterbalances, so I'm going to put those on and we'll move on to the other board. Right. Okay, what do I want? That one, that one. Don't need screws, right. Then we'll move on to this board. Let's just quickly get this together. Let's have a look, just get the orientation right. Note pillar length. Okay. Pillar length noted. Oops, to the screw from our earlier repair, I think. Got that right? Yep. And the same on this one. Right, I might have to put some thread lock in that at a later date, I don't know. Well, let's see how it goes. It's not going to be a big issue if it flies off. Right, that board's basically done. Right. So we can now move on. I'm not going to bother going to the microscope for this one because it looks like all components are not really surface mount. These are all good old-fashioned lead through type. Right, what have we got? Resistor, 3-piece 470 ohms, I presume there, 470 ohms, and that's a 50k. Okay, that's pretty easy. I don't even have to look at the bands. If you want to find out what the bands mean, please Google. But the different colours represent different values. Right, what have we got? Let's try and get the same orientation. Okay, what's that? 4148 using 50k resistor shorted connector. Okay, don't understand. 8050C picture. Again, don't bloody understand. Right. Let's get the orientation right. 8050, yes, obviously. Make, model, and all that. Right. Let's get these resistors in. For this, I'm just going to basically bend. It's not the best way, but it suffices. Right, put that in, and what I'll do is actually splay the ends over a bit here. Stops them falling out. These will be 470 ohm. My apologies if I'm blocking the view of my big fat forms. I like to get the discrete components in first before I play around with semiconductor components like the looks like a regulator and a transistor. I'm just presuming, I haven't looked them up. In the actual download that you can get off the Banggood site, it is, I must admit, it is quite good. It comes with all the data sheet. Why don't I want to go through it here? It comes through with all the data sheets for all the components you fit in, which I thought was really good. Right, yeah, that's my low melting point solder. I've got different solders here. You can't tell by the colour, you can by feel sometimes, but what I normally do is the high melting point, the solder, I'll bend the end. So I know that's got a very high melting point compared to this. This is just a standard length, and I quite often I've got my reel. You probably may have seen my reels. I've got my reels of solder, but I just break off a length. Clean the tip. Just break off a length when I want to use it. And this is where I need 3 pairs of hands, because the board's going to go walking. Hopefully I can stick these components on. It's in. Didn't like that joint, but come on. Right. Cutters. Nope. Where's those ones? Oh, those ones may be better. Ouch. Right. Didn't work very well. I think these cutters are a bit had it. Come on. Yeah, they have a bit had it. A little bit. Is it much better? But a tad better. Right, okay. That's those in. Let's get the orientation again. Let's go for the capacitors. I'm going to lay that flat. There must be some reason, i.e. there's not going to be, where this goes, there's obviously not going to be much headroom. It might be in the actual frame of the device itself, so don't know. La 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 la. There's only a diode here. Can't see that on the board. Right, that's there. Short leg connected to negative. The problem is it's not marked. That's marked. That's interesting. That's not. Okay, yeah, there's a 470. Yeah. I think I might have to just yeah, you can actually see it on this drawing here, on this one here. This the polarity is not marked on this capacitor on the board. The value is right, but it is on this one. But this is not polarity conscious capacitor as far as I know. Right, okay. So look a second. Fly in the ointment, as they say. So we have to, for my benefit, just do this one anyway. Right, I can't actually quite see where that goes. Where's that go? Okay, let me Let's use my meter. See if I can find it. No. Okay, it's going up to there. Right, circuit diagram. Right, C2. So there's 5V input. Where's the 5V input? Is that the 5V input? No, it's the motor. Okay. There's the 5V input over there. What's the black wire? Let's see. Thingy, okay. Right. See, there's no ground. Okay, yeah, that's definitely ground. Okay, that is across the supply. So yeah, I would have said that was the electrolytic. The silk screening is not brilliant. Short leg connects to negative. Well, they'd be correct there. Alright, let's see if I can be autistic. I mean artistic. What's that? That looks right, doesn't it? Let's a bit more soda. Use some thin. No, I'll use some normal. Rambling to myself, sorry. A shorten link. Okay, that's probably what that is. That's a 148 using a 50k resistor, short connected. Okay. I'm going to connect a short. Not very good English there, folks. I'm sure you didn't expect anything less. That'd do. Ow, that's my finger. Alright. There. La 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 la. Right, I'll try and keep these leads as long as possible, really. I think. Beautiful. Right, so that goes up. Okay, pretty much did it that. Right. What have we got here? Okay, don't know what that bit's for. Right. Do it as it's shown. Orange and grey, is those two. White That's the thingy, right. Did I see a bit of, yes. Heedy shrinky. Okay. Start bearing ends. Sadly, I think these cuts are probably better. I might have been wrong. Almost as black. This is going to this LED or infrared device, isn't it? Have we got anything on this? LED connected infrared, long pin connected to line from a positive. Okay. Let's trim it back a bit. So what do they call the positive? Is it, well, they've used the white as positive, so I'm going to do the same. So construction. Should look similar. I stretched that line. No one's business. Oh, for Pete's sake. So, don't know why I picked up those ones again. Oh, come on. Right, I don't like that. I'm going to use these two. And find myself a blade or something. Stripping is not happening with these tools. That's my good pair of cutters. It's always the good ones that you can never find. How are you? Oh, yes. This is the good pair. Let's try. Get off. Oh yes, 100% better. Apart from that one. Oh fuck. Right. Some bits of this. 1, 2. Now what's it say? Did it say a long pin connected to the positive? So positive. Yeah, that's the positive. Not a problem. Remember that. Chop that back. Grab me helping hands actually, because I need 3 pairs of hands, as we all do from time to time. Right, get in there, thinking you all. And you're probably thinking, how do I know which one's the long pin now? Well, I'll look actually into the die. Okay, yep, that's the positive. Let's get these on. Get into an orientation that suits me. That's one. 2. Push those up. Give them a bit of heat with the iron. Okay, I'll do. Thank you, Albion Ands. Definitely the red colour is definitely harder to strip. Okay. That goes there. So I'm doing this one. Not playing ball, let's tin them. That will make them a bit more resilient. Dum, 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 dum. Where was I? Yeah. As usual. I ain't got enough hands. I've managed to tack one so we can get there. Tack the other. Do the first one again. Beautiful. Need to buy some more colours, I think. So we've got that. That's that done. Knife like. Joys and nails. I think I said that in one of the earlier episodes. A lot of people take the piss out of me about my nails, but yes, I can strip wire with them. Actually, if I cut my nails, I actually can't pick bugger all up. It's really bad. It's a bit like a normal person with boxing gloves on. It's horrendous. Right. Okay. That's tin. Clean this bloke. Sorry. I mean, the old insulation I run back so I put some heat on anyway, so it's quite good. Right, now this one's going to this. Some more of this. Right, 1, 2. So it's blue, black, here's my green. Can I really be cheeky and get both in? Probably not, actually. Let's try and get one in. You're still there. Get one in, get the other one in. one. So I'll get the other one. It's beautiful, I think. Two in. Get those over there and heat up. And where did these go? Okay, they go blue and green there. Oh, I forgot that transistor. Alright, let's get that in. Can't believe I forgot that transistor. I'm getting ahead of myself. That's it. Let's just plonk this in while I remember. Come on. Goes in that way, I was correct. Right. Yeah, right. There's that. It's almost done this. Wow. Get this on, get the motor on. Where's the motor? There's the motor. Okay. They're not showing any installation on the motor. Strange. Oh well, there. I'll put some on. Heat shrink, also a few bits of that for the motor, even though I don't show it. Doesn't harm. So grey goes to orange dots. And purple goes to the other one, so stay. Right, put a solder. Come on. Let's chop that, just prevent that shorting. Get my heat shrink over. Yeah, that looks a lot better than that. Might air gun them at another time. Right, let's have a look. Get in. Right, there it is. It's in. It's on that. Yeah, one through there. That's all. Tell you what, that is really hard to tell that. Magnifying glass. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's good. It's good. All right. And a bit of a heaty sink on there. Come on. Right, yeah, it's got to be that one because the length. Oh, Can never find tools. Where's my tools when I need them? Right. Right, there's a little bit of a heat sink. I ain't put any paste on. Not yet. So wire from ground. Yep. Done that. Okay, in my box. Right, pretty much spare. Right, that's that done. I forgot to tell you what I was going to say. Oh yeah, I ain't put any paste on because I'll probably want to improve that. Probably a bigger heat sink and that. Maybe something to do with the actual main plate. So, thanks for watching. Join in on part 9, I think it is. This is, I think, it's part 8, where it all goes together.